Every Thanksgiving, my wife Amanda and our kids ask for one thing: Mama Janice's
turkey and noodles over mashed potatoes.
And if you don't make it,
I hear about it.
That's right, because this holiday classic is rich, creamy, and built from those left-behind turkey drippings. Mama Janice, are you ready to show them how to make this recipe?
I am.
Then let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
The first thing we're going to do is start with those turkey drippings. After roasting your turkey, pour in 8 cups of drippings into a large pot. If you don't have enough drippings, you can add turkey or chicken stock. Make sure to leave those tiny bits of turkey in the bottom. That's the good part that gives you that little extra flavor. Bring your broth to a boil. Then add about 6 chicken bouillon cubes right into the pot. That's just enough to bring out that deep, savory flavor. We may end up using more cubes later depending on the taste. Give it a stir until it's all dissolved. You should have a rich golden broth that smells like Thanksgiving. Now that the broth is ready, let's make the noodles. Drop in 1 package of Ream's frozen noodles. If you can't find Ream's, you can use extra wide Amish egg noodles instead. And my grandkids like these Amish egg noodles better, and they're a little cheaper. Stir the noodles so they are fully covered with the broth. Then let them simmer 20 to 25 minutes until they are nice and tender. Continue to stir occasionally as it simmers. Then toss in 1 tablespoon of minced onions. As it cooks, the broth will reduce down. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter for that silky finish. Add a little salt and a lot of pepper to taste. You will know when it's ready when the noodles are tender. And that broth starts to thicken just enough to coat a spoon like gravy. And when it gets to that point, trust me, it's gonna be fire! If your noodles are a little runny, make a flour-based slurry by combining flour and water together. Then slowly add it to your broth until it thickens. After that, you'll know your noodles are ready for the mashed potatoes. And if you're making mashed potatoes from scratch, you can do these next few steps while the noodles are simmering. Peel and cut up 8 medium potatoes. Place them in water so they won't turn brown, and give them a quick rinse before slicing. Try to cut them all the same size so they'll cook evenly. It's okay if they're not exactly the same size. This just helps the potatoes cook a little quicker. Then, in a large pot, boil them in salted water. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a fork slides through easily. Next, drain them well. Now, in a large bowl, add your potatoes. After that, add a little salt and pepper to taste. Then blend in 4 tablespoons of butter and about 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using a mixer because I like my mashed potatoes nice and creamy. Mix until there are no more lumps. That's all. Simple, rich, and ready for the noodles to go right on top. After your mashed potatoes are ready, let's bring it all together. Spoon a generous scoop of mashed potatoes on each plate. Then place those buttery noodles right over the top so the gravy soaks in. That's the way I've always done it in our family. After that, your turkey noodles over mashed potatoes are ready to eat.
And there you have it, folks. That's Mama Janice's turkey noodles over mashed potatoes, a true Thanksgiving classic. Is there anything else you'd like to share about this recipe?
Well, when you drop the frozen noodles in a pan, you want to make sure you turn the heat up because it needs to come to a boil quick because those frozen noodles will cool down your broth.
We're telling people to put 6 bouillon cubes in there, but I think the amount can vary.
Yeah.
How do you determine how much bouillon cubes to put in there?
While it's cooking, I taste the broth to see how much it needs, and I'll taste it in between and at the end, and I'm thinking, that needs more. And sometimes it's really salty if you put too much in there, so make sure you taste it.
I think the key is you have to taste it for yourself. Some of us like higher salt levels, some of us can't have that much sodium. So just make sure that you season it to taste. That includes adding salt and pepper at the end. We hope you enjoy this recipe. We hope you give this a try. And if you do, let us know how it turns out in the comments below. And while you're here, check out another video. It's gonna show up right over here. Thanks for watching.
And it's gonna be fire.
See you next time.